Well, hello there everyone. If you happen to be new to my channel, I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. And if you are one of my faithful subscribers, welcome back. I'm so glad that you are here today because I'm making a favorite on the Chinese buffet. I'm making crab ragoons. These are so delicious. Now, I love crab ragoons, but I don't know if you are like me. Sometimes I wonder, where is the crab in the crab ragoon? It's like all cream cheese. Well, these are so good, and you will definitely taste the crab in these. They're homemade, so of course they've got to be better. I've got my ingredients here on the counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make them, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so you can go check it out later. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And then I have a 6-ounce can of white crab meat. All right, and I have squeezed out as much of the liquid that I can. I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 green onions that I have sliced. And I'm just going to give this all a mix. I'm also going to give just a pinch of salt. All right, so my crab mixture is ready, and I've got my wonton wrappers and a tablespoon of cornstarch with about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water. That's going to be the glue that's going to hold these wonton wrappers together. So I'm just going to begin to fill the wrappers and then place them on a tray here that I've lined with parchment paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my finger with this cornstarch and go all around the edges. And then I'm going to put a little spoonful of that crab mixture. And then I'm just going to gather all the corners up like so. Pinch them together and then pinch the seams just like this. All right, so while I have been filling the wontons with the crab mixture, I've been heating some oil in a large cast iron pot, and now it's time to drop these in that hot oil. And you want to make sure that they are really, really good and sealed, or they can pop open. And it does happen from time to time. So the wontons are all done and they look beautiful. I've got some sweet chili sauce for dipping, but I wanted to give you all an easier option, which is right behind me. Ta-da! So what I have done here is I have just taken those wonton wrappers and cut them into triangles and then fried them up as chips. This crab cream cheese mixture is so good. It even works as a dip. So you can take those wonton chips, dip it in your crab mixture. Yeah, but of course you can always make the ragoons. They do take a little bit more time, but they are so, so well worth it. So I hope that you either make the crab ragoon, or if you want to make it simple, just fry up some wonton chips and use it as a dip. So, so delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.